Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo, in with the team right now, doing an afternoon trade in you guys. Let's head over. I'll show you what's going on. Right now, we're in you guys. We did 3 trades. Came back from lunch right here. 977 to 94. Did it again, 77 to 90. Third time, 77, and now it's at 97 and still holding half, and waiting for it to go over 10. And it's right here at 997. You know, this was the first trade right here. It bounced right up. We sold it. Came right down. Bounced right back up. We sold it. Came back down. Bounced right back up. We sold it. And came back down. We bought it. Now waiting for it to go over 10. So we traded it a couple times since it crossed right here on the chairlift. And we're doing really good on it. Doing really nice on that. This is the Tesla shirt that Pro Trader Steve-O sent me. He works for Tesla. Thank you, Steve-O. Absolutely. I'll show you what we did today in the Mojo room. We came in this morning liking you guys, traded that, you gasms today. We bought the F and dip and sold the F and rip. A nice money maker. Then we went to MCEP, Biomira, and shorting some Apple and long UVXY. We got UVXY from 35.30 right here to 40.75. Beautiful trade. Sodman must have traded good today. He's been on that stock every day, so today was really the day to score on that one. And it wasn't really an amazing day. It was just suffice. Made our money. Had a couple of good trades and left. This UONE, can you believe it's $23? UONE. And this other one, UONEK, at 209. We had both of those this morning. Can you believe UONE is $22? And there's no news out on it either. No real news on it either. Let's check it out. It's going to be on FinViz. UONE. Right here from $2 to 20. You ever have a stock go from 2 to 20? This one did. Urban's one stock rockets on heavy volume. Right here. Shares of Urban One doubled in very active trading. The gains come even as the only news from the media company, which primarily targets black Americans and urban consumers, said that Bridgeade Capital Management sold its entire stake of 3.9 million shares in Urban One. The stock rallied 83% on 9.7 million shares. What a spitter, huh? Imagine having 3.9 million shares at $2, 4 million shares, and it goes to 20. And you're like, damn, I just sold the whole thing at 2. Damn. And now it hit 19, halted 9 times since the opening bell because of Ross. Amazing, right? Halt, 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 halt. Reason code. LUDP. Volatility pause. They sold their entire position right here. Brigade sold it at 76 cents, 3.9 million shares on June 11th, 5 days ago. Ooh, that's a red room. That's a murder. They're murdering themselves. So they sold 4 million shares times 0.76. They sold it for 3 million. And right now, 4 million shares at 20 is worth 80 million. Damn. From 3 million to 80 million. That's a $77 million hickey. Ooh, that's brutal. Whoever did this brigade in Grand Cayman, dude, this guy's getting fired. They're doing bad. Bad. What else? Only news from the media company. Right here, Urban One. No news. And the only stop was back in May. Urban One. Crazy move. It halted. It's at 18. Halted down from 25. It's at 18. Damn. Nice shirt, right? Yeah, my Tesla shirt. I don't got a Tesla, but my boy sent it to me. Look what I just got. I just got this arm for me and my boy. Get my boy pumped up and strong. Get him one of these. This is the key to strength. Push-ups. Different widths. Push-up machine. Just got that for the boy. Get him some muscles. Absolutely. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see, folks. That's what we like to see. I think the settings, the audio. How does this look? Delay a millisecond. Delay a millisecond. Nah. Yes, test. I just changed the setting on the mic. Nah. Take that off. Apply. Okay. Cool. So, Dan, UONE halted trading 15 times today. You know who traded it? Ross, the boss, in his room. Because they have no responsibility. They don't care. He don't care if everyone blows up their account. He don't care. Nah. He's got thousands, and he had 13,000 people watching this morning. 13,000. It's good to say. Many of them blew up. Many of them didn't. When the odds are that big, you got so many, you don't need no responsibility. Don't matter what you do. Half of them are going to get it right just by messing up. But yeah, dude, you own this thing right now, 1,000 shares at 23. It's going to open up at 18 and lower. There it is. It opened at 21. So lucky. There it goes. 2170 by 80. It's going to go lower. It's going to go lower. 2150. Undercut 79. Nope. They can't shove it lower. Everyone's too short at 10. There it goes. 22. Stay away, dudes. Don't touch. There it goes. 2250 adding. He's saying I'm adding. I'm selling. Oh, I mean I'm adding. Oh, I mean I'm selling. Oh, I mean I sold. Oh, did I add? Oh, I sold. That's some good signals right there. Imagine if I called out signals like that. Looking for the break at 23. Looking for it. Sold. Oh, didn't I say I was looking for it? Didn't say I was doing something. It's a difference, right? Look at that move. 2340. 2350. May 2370. $24. Bam. Everyone's shorting to the moon. Amazing. Amazing. Nice job on them demos today, guys. You did good. Good on them demos. UNOK just went up 10 cents. That's it. The other one went up big. UONE. MCEP, burner today. Nothing's really going on, man. I'd like to say something's going on, but nothing's really happening. Let's take a look at the news. Alrighty, let's see what's making the news. The markets rally amid infrastructure stimulus. Record retail sales jump. Online, maybe. Not retail in the stores. Stocks surged Tuesday after much stronger than expected retail sales data. May boosted investor confidence in a speedy economic recovery. Trump's administration in the form of the $1 trillion infrastructure package. Retail sales jumped 17.7 record in May over April, coming into a more than double the consensus estimate of 8.4. Okay. Virus spreads is like lighting a campfire, doctor explains. Think about a fire when you're lighting a campfire. When you decrease the amount of wood, the fire comes down, but it never really goes out. And as soon as you increase the amount of wood that can catch fire, the fire will come back again. Good analogy with the corona. Calculate your retirement with this quiz. Okay. Find your advisor match. My top financial priority right now is saving for retirement. When would you like to retire? I'm already retired. But I'll do it, let's say, 10 to 19 years. I manage my own investments. How comfortable are you with investing? Very. Are you married? Yes. Are you saving jointly or separately? Do you own a home? Have you refinanced your home recently? Do you currently have children? Would you help? What was it? Under 18? One. Would you help creating a college savings plan? No. Do you own a business? Yes. I'm responding to the impact of the coronavirus by doing nothing and staying the course. Buying stocks. Do you have a 401k? No. Do you have an IRA? No. Do you have an emergency fund? Yes. How important is it for your financial advisor to have tax expertise? Must have. How important is financial advisor to a statement? Must have. Yeah, I don't want a must have. Social responsible investing important. I don't want to. They're going to send me to Merrill Lynch. Great. It's in the head to answer all that. It doesn't matter what you say. Great, your advisor. Here it is. Dow slashes 848 points on a surge. Terrible. Can't believe it. Oh, Patch Weiland's buying puts. So that means the market's going to crash. I got the email earlier. Patrick's on a rampage. Right here. Buying puts on the stock market. Crash is coming. So, dude, Patrick says it, dude. It's like gold, right?
This time to start start buying puts? Is this time to start taking profit on your long positions? I'm going to talk about why I believe in the next few days or the next coming week or so, we are going to see the market start to roll off and sell off faster than it went up. Now, get the July puts down. They only go up. Well, this is news today. This came out at 2 p.m. actually. That's what. Really
And we just saw that they're buying corporate bonds.
At this point, the Fed says it's going to start buying individual corporate bonds. Now, if the market was really booming, like they were booming, if the market really was amazing, and it's one thing that I've learned, right? One thing that I've learned in the last 4 or 5 years of doing this, YouTube, all that stuff, is that big money, smart money, the big
does the opposite.
Guys, big money guys, they don't lose. They know what they're doing. They can move the market in the direction.
They're shorting now, so when it crashes, they'll profit.
Is really from the Fed. Obviously, the Fed buying. They have been buying, down here. They won't continue to sell off from here. So.
Okay. Well, he's buying puts. There you go. Billionaire Ken Griffin pulls the trigger on these 3 penny stocks. MLND. Meep. And Kaiser. Nice. Meep. We've had that one many times. 1140. Wow. You want to see where I had Meep? Ken Slim stock. Right here. In the 412 newsletter of 2015 for the Masters, it looks like I had Meep. Madison. Quantum. Himmix. Coins. Here it is. I had Meep on the watch list of the Masters newsletter. The Masters did. On April 2nd of 2015, my top 5 for the week of 412. It was with Gig Optics and Meep at $1.87. Here's Meep. In 2015, they were going to lose $1.35, then a loss of $1.23, and a loss of $1.22 on increased estimates and a 33 million share float, and funds own 75%. They develop drugs that target components of cancer cell survival proliferation to treat and there's the stock. My time I picked it. Meep. It's at 11. Nice. You guys 90. UONE 2350. You guys still gonna pop. They don't want to pay the MOJ. They don't want to pay the MOJ. For some reason. $97. It's trying. UBX movies living little. 39.20. It's doing good. Doing good. Check out the swings for a second while the UGAS boils. BFAM's 123 from 79. Bright Family Horizons. Maybe I should start selling some covered calls on those bigger ones. Start collecting some Preem. BFAM. Bright Family Horizons. I got it at 79. It's 124. Do some options. July 17th. The 130s are 310. The 125s are $13. I think I'll take those. I think I'm going to take this covered call right here. $13 on the July 17th in 1 month. I get 13 bucks on BFAM. 138 sale price. You know what I'm saying? So if I take BFAM right here at 79, stick it right there. And then take the covered call. The 125 strike expires on 7/17, $13. $13 into a $79 stock. It's a big premium. 13 divided by 79 is a 16.45% premium. Locked in. $138 sale price on BFAM. It's pretty damn spanky. Spanky means good. Spanky means good as the stock's 124. Collect 13 points. Up 57%. Beautiful. That's a beauty. Whoops. Let's see what else I can do that with. So BFAM's gone. Bye. I can do it on Teva at 650. Can turn all these into covered calls right now. It's good because the market was up. It's going to correct. It's at 12. Going to do it on Teva too. The July 2nd at 12 is 50 cents. Right there. July 12, 50 cents on Teva. Add 2 more lines underneath. Teva at 650. Gonna sell the 12. So we're gonna do the Teva $12 strike price, and it expires on 7/2 for 50 cents. 50 cents into 650. 0.5 divided by 6.5 is 7.69%. And we're up 84% on the stock. Not too shabby. And I'm going to continue to do this for the rest of the day on the rest of any of them that are optionable. Okay, guys, so that one's done now too. And I'll do it on USO up 400%. I'll do it on Apache now up 200%. I'll do it on ADT up 100% right now. I'm doing it on these 3. US Oil, ADT, and Apache. Boom. I'll do it on those 3 right there. Well, the next one I'll be able to do it with is no, not Office Depot. No, 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 no. Vapotherm, VAPO, I can do it on right here, up 108% on Vapotherm. I'll do it on that one. NanoString at 24 and Moderna. I'll start collecting some premium on those too. Nano, String, and Moderna. Get rid of them. Put them up there. USA Trucks up 80%. I could take a look at that. And USX, I'll look at those later. Deseki, no. Exela. GNC. Nothing up big in price. And Norton Anti-Lock and SST I can do, even though I'm down on them. Could still do some covered calls on these. I'll do some on those. It's premium collecting time on all those. Norton Anti-Lock and SST right here. And then the next two big ones I can do it with is IAC's 286, now been to 293. I'm going to leave that because it may get bought out. And that's all I can do them with. All right, that's going to look good. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 new covered calls and the ones I got to do today on ACB, Krone, and CGC. So we'll have 11 covered calls today. USO, APA, ADT, Vapotherm, NSTG, Moderna, Norton Anti-Lock, and Shot Spotter. So this is going to be a covered call on 6/16. This is going to be on 6/16, 6/16, 6/16. Boom, 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 and boom. All on the 16th. Bam. It's a great portfolio of modelness. 998 on UGAS, starting to move a little bit. UONE's $29 now. It just spiked up from 22 to 29. It's insane. UONEK is $240 now. Look at that. UONE's $30. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Still won't trade it. Lack of responsibility if I did. Let's see. I have some great topics that I'd like to do. Top software picks for day trading, stock researching advice for 2020, and what is swing trading. Yeah, I like number 3. Nice, that stock went crazy, dudes. That stock went crazy, man. Crazy, cray, cray. Damn. You know why you guys ain't flying? Because it's red. Because it's red. Let's see what else is happening in the news. Bitcoin's moving up a little bit. Let's check it out. See what's going on with the coin. SIM swap hackers target crypto investors. Cell service is not available. UK watchdog launch ad scam alerts and to crack down on fraud. That's pretty good. Who's something with Craig Wright? I saw his name. Mount Gox. Mark Karpel's Craig Wright is either a thief or a fraud. Former Mt. Gox CEO Mark Karpels insists that the 80,000 Bitcoin that Dr. Wright claims were stolen from the exchange. Former CEO insists that 80,000 Bitcoin that Dr. Craig Wright lays claim to was stolen from the exchange in March 2011. Karpels confirmed to Cointelegraph that the Bitcoins residing at 1FE, that address, was stolen from Mt. Gox. I confirm this was confirmed in 2011. That records were also part of the court documents made publicly available. Speculating about Dr. Wright's motivation in this turn events in the Tulip Trust saga, he opinionated that nChain's chief scientists were just trying to put forward some evidence of his status. That's confusing. I agreed to purchase the Bitcoin in the FEEX address in late February, and it was referred into the full amount of Bitcoin, which is now owned by Tulip Trading Limited, remains in that address. Tulip Trading Limited. Right here. Is a construction-based company in Amber, United Kingdom. Okay. Cybercrime's up 75% during COVID-19. Yeah, because everyone's at home trying to steal from each other because they can't go out and steal on the street. Makes sense. 6 Nigerian citizens are added to the U.S. sanctions list for cybercrimes. Nice. 6 Nigerians. Glad they recognize that. $300 Ethereum looks to be the next major crypto to follow up Cardano. That's nice. Ethereum. Recently, several altcoins have been showing strength. Theta, I mentioned that one yesterday. Zaquilla, Elron, and Cardano. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Bitcoin's 94.96. Bitcoin right now is 94.96. There you go. Ethereum 232. They're saying it's going to go to 300. Okay. Ether holds crucial 220 support. Cool. It's a nice picture. You could flip Maker for thousands the way it's been moving. What's Maker? Yeah. Coin. Are you a tokenization expert? Let's see. I am. Start the quiz. Which of these assets has not yet been tokenized? Towels. Real estate has, and so is art. Yay, right. Yes. Which age group is most accepting of tokens? 25 to 34-year-olds. No, 18 to 24? Really? Okay, okay. Although 71% of this age group is interested in the future, younger consumers are more enthusiastic. Well, it doesn't say, it says accepting. Whatever, it's fine. I got one wrong. For investors, what's the advantage of a tokenized portfolio? What's the advantage? It can't be sold quickly. That's not an advantage. Deposits can be exclusively made in crypto. That's an advantage. Professional managers trade on your behalf. Nope. I like that. Ooh, wrong. It's C. Professional managers trade on your behalf. Tokenized portfolios allow investors to capitalize on the expertise of seasoned managers. Wow. With transparent details about how their fund's performing. Got it wrong. 57% or what I did. Which dictates the price of a portfolio token? The performance of the portfolio? Or the crypto fund? It's tied to Bitcoin? Yay, the performance of the portfolio. What's the biggest benefit of tokenization for crypto fund managers? Eternal glory? Doubt it. They can develop their own software? Doubt it. A share of the returns? Probably. Bam. There you go. What's the most important thing to have when investing in a portfolio? Plenty of crypto to invest? Nah, it's not the most important. See the question, most important. When investing, clear statistics on its performance or past experience. What's the most important thing to have when investing in a portfolio? Clear statistics on its performance. Past experience, B. There you go. What is the value of assets under management held by crypto hedge funds last year? Oh, it's a lot. It's not $1 billion. It's probably $3 billion. No, $2 billion, according to PwC. What's the best measure of a crypto fund's reputation? Exchange data on past performance. Reviews from investors? No. Number of Twitter followers? Doubt it. Got that one right. In a recent report, what did Deloitte & Touche predict tokenization will deliver? Illiquidity? Cheaper and faster transactions? The end of the stock market? Ooh. How about what did it will deliver? Cheaper and faster transactions. Bam. If they were simple to use, what percentage of Americans would use tokens? If they were simple, what percentage would use them? 65. I was going to say 9. I was going to say the higher. My phone would get in the middle. Pretty good. I like that's a pretty good one. Share that with my friends. On LinkedIn too. All right. Next. Got a Heinzer on you guys. $9.99 right now, guys. Keep an eye. Keep an eye. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Go, go. Copycats. Empowering content creators in the digital. I should do my Heinz move so Ross can't copy me. Pro Trader Mike's system of trading stocks is so copied right now. Anybody can copy it, set up a website, copy the course, and be a professional trader in just a matter of an hour. It's amazing. Fed chairman, inflation not a threat despite massive balance sheet. Peer-to-peer crypto exchange champions on sessions. Gitcoin and Polkadot cooperate to bring new developers. You ever heard of Gitcoin before? Never heard of it. Gitcoin. Polkadot. Gitcoin. This works through Gitcoin. Not Bitcoin. Gitcoin is a community of 39,000 amazing open source developers working remotely to build Web3. I like it. 6 minutes ago. Check out they're working on Zcash. Round 6 of Gitcoin grants have started, and we're here once again to ask you to consider supporting with a small donation. They've introduced some major updates. They're redoing the internet, man, making it Web 3.0. Gitcoin hackathons, bounties. Let's see what kind of bounties they got to do. Privacy hackathon bounty. You're going to get paid $4,000 for that. Zcash privacy protection, 23 cents. Let's view this bounty. Challenge. Privacy in signing in the shower. It's a secret note between friends. It most embarrassing. Build an application that uses shielded Zcash. The application could build off existing libraries, such as our mobile wallet SDK, or you could be shielded. Grand prize is $2,000. A pair of sneakers. What are those? A Zcash swag bag. What's a sneaker? Sneakers. No, it's not sneakers, it's sneakers. Sneakers Zcash. Nope. Some money, shoes. So a pair of sneakers. Maybe they spelled it wrong. It's supposed to be S. Let's see what this bounty is. I once did one of these and got paid. Challenge. MakerDAO. Governance relies on a healthy voting community, but participating in forums and voting on chain may expose individuals more than intended. What are some frameworks that allow organic self-organization through DAOs to create effective change while preserving privacy and security? More importantly, how can we make it easy for users to preserve their privacy? If you build something useful and cool, show it off. Submission deadline is June 29th. Dark spell mechanisms. All these terms that you need to know for the future. $35 on UK. It halted at 41. Holy crap. Socially irresponsible. Imagine if it opened at 20. You lost all your money because you decided to trade it. That UNOK is fourth. Look at UONEK. I picked it at $1 this morning right here in the MOJO Day Trade room. Look. And I had it on my sheet. That's two stocks. Right here. UONE and UONEK. See it? Look. UONE down here. UONEK. Where is it? There it is. UONEK at $1.90 into $2. It's $4. Amazing, isn't that? Amazing. No one knew about the UONEK. Everyone knew about the UONE. Everybody knew about the UONE, not the UONEK. He did?
Yeah.
Nice. UONE is doing awesome. But did you know about UONEK at $1 this morning? Mojo did. Beauty. Went to 449, now it's tanking down. Yeah, interesting with the Gitcoin. All that stuff sounds interesting, Brad. We'll read up on it, check that baby out. Beautiful trading today. Staying out of trouble's the key. Just like golf, not going for the big risks. Yeah, I could have made a fortune, and not what I like to do. Putting people's livelihood and risk of their accounts at stake. Not interested. All right, let's see what thing made a crazy big run. Look at that move from $1. Look at that move just from when I started the show. Out of control. It was $2. Doubled while I did the show. 100% move while I did this show, guys. Stock doubled. Amazing. Computer freeze. Look at that dump. Look at that dump. Right at 307 to 12. Buy it. Stopping station. You'll make money. See that? Right back up. Told you. Told you. 30-cent bump off stopping station. Beauty. Woo, 380, 390. What a move off 320. Nice. What a move off that one. Batman made $4,000. Thank you. Nice. Nice job. Happy about that. Happy about that. Nice trade. Great day. Great. Oh, I caught the dip and into the rip with the MOJ right off the stopping station. Where'd you learn that in MOJO University? You learned that in MOJO University, didn't you? Dude, did you know that a Dash masternode used to cost $250,000 and now it only costs $70,000? Did you know that? You need 1,000 Dash to be a masternode. Means you control the blockchain. You download the wallet, you hold it in there, and dude, you download every platform from the beginning, every transaction from the beginning of time, and you maintain the blockchain on Dash. Nice, 390 on that sucker. That was a good move from 320, 70 cents straight up. It earns you 7 Dash a week. I think it earns you 7 Dash a week, something like that. I'll tell you. Dash masternode. You make right here masternode information. Estimated payment $12.43 a day is what you make. Estimated payment per masternode is 0.17 Dash per day. See that? $12 a day. 356 days a year. So you make 356 times 12.43. You make $4,425 for Dash. But you get paid in the coin, so then the coin goes, you're like, damn, there you go. Masternode operators are given the opportunity to vote up to 10% of the block reward each month. You need 1,000 dash. Everyone can be their own bank. Listen.
Howdy there, I'm Amanda B. Johnson and you're watching Dash Detailed. In almost all cryptocurrency networks, there is one way to get paid for contributing to the network, which is mining, or validating, or staking, or forging, or whatever term is given to the job of generating the blockchain. But in the Dash network, there is a second paid job, which is the masternode. Now, unlike mining, where one must constantly upgrade one's hardware to remain competitive, and unlike staking, where one must constantly upgrade one's savings balance to remain competitive, with a masternode, once you have one, you are on the paying docket indefinitely. For this reason, plus the annual rate of return being a little over 10%, or roughly 2 dash every 6.5 days, masternodes are becoming a more attractive investment option for those who would like to get returns within the cryptocurrency space. So, let's get started. What do we need? What do we require? Well, a computer and 1,000 dash. And now if you don't have 1,000 dash, wait till later in the episode. That will be for you. And as for your computer or your hosting options, there are 3. Of course, you could do it from home, from any laptop or desktop, but also from the likes of a Raspberry Pi 2 or an Odroid XU4. That's option number 1. Option number 2 is any VPS, any virtual private server, such as DigitalOcean, Amazon Web Services, Vultr, something like that. And then option 3, and the easiest option actually by far, I've read through the guides, is a masternode-specific hosting provider, of which there are 4. Node40, Splowix Masternode Services, Masternode.me, and an automated service at dash.org, for which there's a link below. These services range from roughly $7 US dash per month up to around $22 in dash per month, comparable in price to standard VPSs. So once you have exactly 1,000 dash in a single dash address and you've made your hosting choice, just check the description below for a step-by-step guide that will take you through how to launch a masternode with your given hosting choice, and you will start receiving payouts within 2 weeks. And for those who don't have a full 1,000 dash but would like to own shares in one nonetheless, 2 trusted options exist. One is at masternode.me, where 25 dash will get you a share, and the other is through Splowix Masternode Services, where 50 dash will get you a share. The contact information for both of those parties is also in the description below. But let's take a step back and look at the wider picture. As I referenced in the first episode of Dash Detailed, what would your mother be interested in? What would your mother be willing and able to do to earn interest on her dash holdings? Well, that is where a forthcoming offering from the Dash Network entitled Decentralized Masternode Shares will come to play. In layperson terms, this could be translated to the rough equivalent of the first and only interest-bearing accounts in cryptocurrency. The Dash development team reports that version 2 of the protocol will allow anyone with any amount of dash, be it 5 or 1, to set aside any amount they desire into what will appear to them as an interest-bearing savings account within their wallet. And then this dash, all the while keeping the private keys in the hands of the owner without
masternode
it to any third parties, will be entered into a pool on the Dash blockchain,
creating a
from
big
which
node.
an entire class of decentralized masternode operators can then pull from to then launch more masternodes.
Yeah.
And the incentive
Very smart
for this to take place is that the masternode operators who pull from this pool of savings,
have to hold,
which they don't know the private keys, get to keep a portion of the payouts themselves.
Nice.
It will be like the most high-yielding, interest-bearing bank account ever,
Yep.
except everyone can be their own bank. And that is decentralized masternode shares. And with current manpower
Sick.
in Dash's development, it's 2 to for talent. I'm happy to announce that Dash is hiring. If you are an expert in the programming language C++, if you're familiar with cryptocurrency in general, and if you have an eye for what it would take to create a global currency, click the link that you see on your screen now to go to Dash's jobs.
They need me, man. Dash needs me, right? Nice. Dash went to 1,624. You don't gotta look. Just ask Mojo, Brad. You want to see? Just ask Mojo, dude. Where every coin went to, and I'll tell you, dude. Look. And I know that it's 1,624, dude. Okay, it's 72 now, but if you go to the all-time, it's, let me go to a better one. This is, Coins 360. Coin 360 right here. Let me show you. So if you go to Coins 360 and we look at the chart, on Dash right here, the ultimate high on Dash right here. High number 20. Cointelegraph, Crypto High-End Coin Desk. All right, let's look at this one. Dash. Nope, not coming up with a chart. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Stellar. I'll find it right here. Here it is. All-time high. Told you. What's that number say? All-time high. See it? Circulating supply, total supply, all-time high. See it? What's the number? 1,642. You want another one? What else do you want to know? You want another stock I'll give you? How about Stellar Lumens? XLM. The all-time high on Stellar Lumens is 10 cents. Watch. $9. Up 52-week high is 13 cents. 90-day is 8.6. 52-week high, all-time high is 9.38. See that? 93 cents. That was close. 93 cents. You know where it's at right now? 7 cents. Number 13 crypto. That's what I'm talking about. UONE's 38 bucks. Went to 40. Yeah, I got a good memory for numbers, man. The important ones. Look at that, $36. UONE didn't pounce back up like a UONEK did. You know that? Practiced my putting today. Did good. Did really good today. Really good. Alright guys. End of the day. Really nice trading. I appreciate everyone hanging out with me on YouTube, of course. It's always my pleasure showing you all how good we are and what we do. Any thoughts on another leg down in the market? Sure, JP. Why not? Van, what you say? Good afternoon. I just got back from the course, played 9 holes. Club seemed to go about 5 yards longer with my new grip and taking the club back slow. If anything, balls in play more. Absolutely. Beautiful. Love the new grip. Good stuff. Pro went out with me on the course to watch if I picked the club up. I did a couple of times, but he said being low and slow is a good swing thought. Absolutely. Continue to practice. Let me know on a daily basis what happens. Definitely. Ooh, look at that UONEK drop into new lows. Look at that. 290. Do a buy here. 277 to 82. Back up into 90 and into 3. You got a trade right there. See that? Right there, 282. Boys, 283. You see that? Right at stopper right here. Beauty. Look at that. Which one? That's the UONEK. 277 to 82. Finally came down, right? To a place where Mojo likes it. That's where I like it, right there. See that action? That's that one right there. Gotta like that. Nice trading. So good job, Van. Good job, Mr. Van, and everybody else in the Mojo room. Want to thank you for hanging out with me today again. Until the next show, all I gotta say is peace. Keep it profitable. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. We do some more trading tomorrow. That simple, that easy. Everyone have a good night and be safe. Thanks again. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Later.